Hi folks, this is Stan Forrester. We seem to have a question on Intro 8 Astrobiology, slide 19. Okay, so I got this one in the email. I really want you guys to post these in the questions, course information book first, okay, but I haven't checked that yet. So let's go ahead and let's make this video, see what we can do. Alright, Intro 8 Astrobiology. So this, put all your numbers into the Drake equation, show what new observations, your assumptions predict you will make. Alright, so let's take a look at, well, we can't do the graph right now. So let's see, our star, 100% of stars in the galaxy. I suppose that these were probably set earlier. Okay, 0%, okay, these are probably default values. 0% of stars have planets, 0%, okay. So this one's going to be pretty easy. Alright, if your assumptions are correct, how many communicating alien civilizations, your value for n, are predicted in the Milky Way right now? Well, 0%, that makes it pretty easy. So I'm going to say 0. Is that a 0? Yeah, or a big O, or a capital O. Okay, I think that's a 0. Alright. I'm going to compare ranges. Alright, so, less than 1. 0 is less than 1, so that's in our range. And do you see any actively communicating civilizations, blinking stars? No, I do not. Well, let's just go back up and look and see, do I see any blinking stars? No, I sure do not. So let's go ahead and hit no. And let's continue. Now, obviously, if you had non-zero values for these, you would come up with a different number than 0. But there's that great job. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is the results from your class. Okay. But based in let's see, my result is probably in here someplace. Okay. So, but that shows you how to handle slide 19, and I hope that answered any questions you have, and let me get this posted so you guys can benefit from it, okay? Have a great weekend.